Welcome to Automatify TestOps, a Jira native workspace for test coverage, BDD traceability, and recent execution context. In the next few minutes, you will see how to start from a normal Jira issue, inspect its linked scenarios, and continue into the project workspace. We begin with Dev 2, a regular Jira task. The description already contains a readable login scenario, while the attachments provide an audit trail of scenario evidence. This issue remains the center of the workflow. Product, development, and QA context stay together instead of being split across unrelated tools. Open the Automatify TestOps issue panel. The linked scenarios table answers the most important questions immediately. Which scenarios cover this issue? Where did each scenario come from? What was the latest result? And what should I run next? Here, Dev 2 is linked to 3 scenarios. SC7 has a failed latest result, while SC4 and SC2 have passed. The compact history makes changes visible without leaving Jira. Select a scenario to open its detail view. The overview preserves the link back to Dev 2 and shows the scenario source, metadata, linked issues, automation configuration, and run history. From here, an authorized user can start a new run or repeat a failed run. In a live environment, that action can dispatch the configured GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps workflow and return status to Jira. When you need a broader view, open the project-level Automatify TestOps workspace. Search is intentionally the first surface. It provides a fast project-wide scenario index, lightweight previews, and direct Jira issue links. You can locate SC7, confirm that it belongs to Dev 2, and inspect related scenarios without turning the issue panel into a heavy administration screen. The automation section separates reusable provider profiles from scenario bindings. A project administrator configures the shared GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps connection once, then assigns scenarios to the appropriate profile. This avoids duplicating credentials and provider settings, while still allowing different scenario families to use different pipelines. For automation-heavy workflows, the CLI section provides project-scoped access and setup guidance. The Jira interface remains the main daily experience, while the CLI handles ingestion, diagnostics, reporting, and continuous integration. This keeps the product approachable for regular Jira users and powerful for QA leads and platform engineers. Finally, Plan and Limits keeps entitlement, usage, and evidence retention controls in one project admin location. Normal issue work stays focused on coverage and execution, while administrators can see the operational guardrails when they need them. That is the quick start. Open any Jira issue where Automatify TestOps is enabled, inspect the linked scenarios and recent results. Then use the project workspace when you need search, automation, or administration. Your Jira issue remains the source of context from coverage through execution.